Hello students, we start new lesson quadratic equation, and in previous class, that is in the ninth class, you already learned the polynomials, and according to their degree we classify their types. Now these are the some polynomials: 5x plus 9, x square plus 3x minus 5. Now, in first polynomial, the degree of variable is 1. According to that degree, we classify this polynomial as a, if degree is 1, then we say that it is a linear polynomial. And in second polynomial, the degree of the variable is 2. If the degree is 2, then the polynomial is called a quadratic polynomial. Similarly, in third also, the degree of the variable is 2. Degree means the highest power of the variable in the expression. Here the power is 1 and here the power is 2, and hence the degree of this polynomial is 2. If the degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is called a quadratic polynomial. In fourth, the degree of variable is 1, and hence this expression is a linear polynomial. And last one, here the expression is 5x square. The degree of this expression is 2, and hence it is also a quadratic polynomial. We are already studied this polynomial in ninth class. Now, when we convert this polynomial in equations, if you write equal to 0 or any number, then these expressions are converted into the equations, and these equations are said that if the degree of the equation is 1, then it is called a linear equation. It is not a polynomial, then it becomes an equation. We say that linear equation. And the equation which contain only one variable and degree 2, then it is called a quadratic equation. It becomes equation. Similarly, here also, in third also, the degree of this equation is 2. That's why this is also quadratic equation. Fourth, there is degree 1, and hence it is not a quadratic equation, it is a linear equation. And here the degree is 2, and hence it is also called a quadratic equation. Are you understand? It means that what is quadratic equation? The any equation which has a single variable and degree 2, that equation is called a quadratic equation. That is, if any equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. Once again I repeat definition. The equation which has a single variable and degree 2, they are called a quadratic equation. Thank you.